Hi, welcome to Cooking with Big Mike here. Today we're going to be making smoked salmon. Real simple and easy dish, nothing to be scared of. About 15 minutes of prep, right on the grill. Hour and a half, you'll be eating delicious smoked salmon. Here at Cooking with Big Mike, we always like to enjoy a cocktail while we're cooking. So for all you who's over 21, follow along. We're gonna have real simple. We're gonna do 1 part sweet and lime juice. Two parts spiced rum. This is from a local distillery here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Go ahead and give this a little shake. Nice and chilled. Serve this over ice. Nice something citrusy to sip on. We're making some fish. Alright, we have our nice cocktail here. Let's take a sip. That's good. Alright, next up is we're gonna make our little basting sauce. Put on the fish. Put all our ingredients into our little saucepan here. We'll use about 4 tablespoons of butter. We already got it nice and softened. It's half a stick for y'all who don't know. Right into our pot. Right. Here's our dry ingredients. Have a little thing. Alright, here's our dry ingredients. We got a little Cajun seasoning here, herbs de Provence, and garlic powder. Add that right in there. I have a little Parmesan cheese. Here's a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
And go ahead and mince some garlic in there. If you don't have a garlic press, you can always just mince this up. Alright. And the last 2. And 1 more. Alright, we'll go ahead and put this on medium-low heat. About 10 minutes just to let it simmer down. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup or so of olive oil. Lastly, you want to add the juice of 1 lemon and add a little zest. No need to worry about seeds because we're just basting.
Bruno, if you don't shut the f up, you going outside.
Right. Add us a little zest. Just a little bit. Alright, basting's almost done. Our basting sauce is almost done. So go ahead and get our salmon over here. And I'm just gonna give it a nice quick baste.
Slams!
been about 5 minutes. Our sauce is looking and smelling delicious. About to go ahead and get ready to baste.
Let me see that sauce.
Look at that goodness. Alright. I like to be real liberal here on the fattier pieces because obviously you need a little more to penetrate there. A lot of people will be quick to trim off this little belly piece, but that picks up a lot of that smoke flavor and comes out delicious. Alright, got a basting liquid on there, basting sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some fresh cracked salt and pepper. Alright, let's go take this beauty out to our smoker. Alright, we're here at our Traeger grill. Holla at your boy Traeger. Put this on, 225, hour and a half. Alright, to go with our smoked salmon, we're gonna have a simple Caesar salad. Start by chopping our romaine here. It was already washed. Alright, we're gonna take our fresh chopped romaine here, get it in our bowl. For this episode, we're just gonna use store-bought Caesar. I like creamy Caesar.
If it wants to come out.
Yeah. Thick and creamy. On there. Alright, take our tongs here. Give it a little toss. Alright, we just pulled our salmon off the grill and look at that beautiful slab of fish right there. Only y'all could smell it. Here we have our beautiful smoked salmon with our salad. Go ahead and here, get us a bite. That's good stuff. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Keep watching future episodes of Cooking with Big Mike.